and welcome back to this channel. And I know this is not the video that you expected. हम यहाँ पे एक format change करने वाले हैं. Now we are going to be experimenting with reaction videos. I really hope you like it. I really want you to like it. Please like it. Anyway, moving on. Today we are going to be reacting on 7 most funny Indian TV ads of this decade. So there is funny, funnier, funniest, and then there's most funny. So we're going to be watching 7 most funny Indian TV ads of this decade, part 7 by 7P Lab. Okay, so let's continue with the watching.
स्लिम फिट में कैसी लग रही हूँ?
वाइड बॉल था. बेबी लिसन, वाइड बॉल पे हिट विकेट.
Okay. Very creative. I think I saw this ad. I have seen this ad on TV, and it was pretty funny. So nicely written, and it deserves a round of applause. You know what else? So really nicely written.
बेबी तुम कंफर्टेबल तो हो ना? यू श्योर? एक बार फिर से सोच लो.
Of course, she is very comfortable, especially with all that space that you've given to her after occupying 90% of the couch. She's absolutely comfortable. Just look at her face. She's not terrified at all. I don't know where this video is going, but let's go and check it out.
ये वाला ठीक है. Lenskart.com पे 5 फ्रेम चूज करो और फिर घर बैठे ट्राई करो. Lenskart.com. Log on, play.
Okay, not gonna lie. They had us in the first half. I did not expect it to go this way. It's actually really funny, to be honest. This was it. It deserves an applause. So yeah, Lenskart. Let's buy stuff from Lenskart. Moving on.
On. Looking good.
Thank you. Thank you for subscribing to my channel.
With touchscreen navigation and a whole lot more. The new Vento Highline Plus.
This reminds me of a lab instructor we had back in school in 11th and 12th grade. Yeah, he spoke the exact same way as if he had rocks in his mouth. And that was the funniest part of the entire practical experience. So, just saying, I love people like that.
Volkswagen, das Auto.
Wait.
जब SBI लाइफ के वेल्थ क्रिएशन वाले इंश्योरेंस प्लान्स हो तो हर शौक पूरा करो.
What? 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 Is this what life insurance is for? Wow, okay, so hey man, do you want to get a haircut? Sure man, but you know, like it's super costly. It costs like $2,000, but yeah, sure, I can afford it. I have life insurance because that is what life insurance is for. Getting your hair cut, getting new pairs of pants, and all other important stuff. Except for saving your life, because that is what life insurance is for. I love it. Please give me life insurance. Everybody, please go out there, get life insurance, because it'll be really helpful when you have to decide how much you have to spend on weird stuff that is not important. So, useless ad.
लॉन्ग लास्टिंग फ्लेवर वाला नया सेंटर फ्रूट एंडलेस एंडलेस एंडलेस। इसका फ्लेवर चलता 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 ही रहे। कैसी जीभ लबलबाई।
Moving on. Is that Ishan Avasthi from Tare Zameen Par, my spirit animal? I absolutely love this kid because his struggle represented my struggle. I struggle. Okay, मैंने बहुत struggle किया. Is it sending a picture? Is it his sister? Oh, so not his sister. Girlfriend. Good. Nice way. I really love the concept. You know, it's a nice trick. So, really nice and well put together, and back when in the days when WhatsApp was not there and you really wanted to share pictures. So good.
दोस्ती से बढ़कर मेरे लिए कुछ नहीं है. फ्रेंडशिप इज एवरीथिंग टू मी. अब मेरे रूममेट रॉकी को ही ले लो, एकदम भाई जैसा है.
ये हटना.
Exactly, एकदम भाई जैसा, because that's what brothers do.
Like a mother from another brother.
Did you just say mother from another brother?
Mother from another brother.
I'm loving this ad already.
Mother. एक दिन उसके साथ बहुत बड़ा हादसा हुआ. I'm sorry, please cut. इसके कपड़ों का बैग एयरलाइन खा गई.
और फिर डाली गरम मसाला.
रोटी है, मकान है, मगर कपड़े.
Oh God, why does it look like my future self? So far, loving it. This is actually a really creative ad.
गहरा सदमा पहुंचा है बेचारे को. मेरे सिवा और है भी कौन उसका. I knew I had to do something for him. और तभी मैंने देखा मिंत्राज एंड ऑफ रीजन सेल का एड वाले का. मैंने फटाफट शर्ट्स, जीन्स, जूते सब ऑर्डर कर दिए. सोचा रॉकी कितना खुश होगा जब मैं उसे अपने सारे पुराने कपड़े दे दूंगा.
This is wonderful. Please, Myntra or whoever out there is listening, please do make ads like these, because I hate skipping ads. And if I had ads like these, I would watch it more than the video that I was aiming to watch. So very well put together, very creative. Kudos for the poetic language and making it really rhyme and sound amazing. So very creative ad. Like applause. Really great. I mean, I love it. And funny as hell, obviously.
किसी के लिए कुछ अच्छा करो तो लौट के आता है.
अभी धोखे तो देता.
No one needs to buy your reason. Myntra's end of reason sale, Jan 2nd and 3rd. इससे बड़ा सेल नहीं मिलेगा. अब हर कोई रीजन चलेगा.
So here it ended. Thank you very much for staying with me through this video, and I really hope you like this new format, because if you don't, it's going to be disastrous and I'll have to think of something else. But anyway, I really hope you like it, and please tell me in the comment section below what sort of videos you'd like me to react to, because I would love that. Also, I've not seen my face till now, but we'll cut that part out. Okay. So please tell me in the comment section below what sort of videos you want me to react to, and I hope I was able to entertain you guys enough, I guess. So stay tuned for more in the future, and like, subscribe, comment, share, I mean, you know the drill, right? So share, subscribe and all that stuff, and please do like, okay? I would really appreciate that, and I would know that people are actually liking my stuff. And enough of my rant. So I guess this video ends here. I don't know what else to say, so bye guys.